Alright, what is happening, everybody? Having a problem with my fuel gauge. A bunch of y'all told me to order this little jewel right here. Just took the baffle back out. I'll pull out this old one, install the new one there. And then we'll check to see if it fixes it. Alright, so here we are. We're going to put it on ohms, check resistance, because that's my understanding of how these things work, is the series of little reed switches that are on the board. As the magnet passes by the reed switches, it sets them off, and it lets you know how much fuel you got in there. So, alright, let's plug it up. Haha, that's a good sign right there. I'm reading resistance 68. Alright, it's dropping. That's good. Good. Look at that. I may have a working fuel gauge. Heck yeah. Appreciate all the advice from you guys. Looks like that was 16 bucks well spent. Y'all told me I should do it, and I went ahead and bit the bullet and did it. Thanks again.